Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wagangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Last month, President Zuma gave Floyd Shivambu the role to be MK Party's national organizer, a task to establish structures and simultaneously drive election campaigns. On Monday, a meeting between the leadership of the MK Party and MK South Coast branch members took place. MK South Coast disgruntled members shared their grievances with the leadership.
We heard of the my election was ngokukhulu kushesha wayithumela wakubuyela ngathi gaba ngimthumelile uST yonke detailed information le history was South Coast up until today awukaze nobhala uzibhoda ngisho ukungiphendula ucomrade ukwazi imbanjwa wathi efike na 2 weeks ngamthumelela the very same information kade ngimtshela manje lana akekho nana yedwa actually kwi leadership yonke mhlawumbe kuzoba ncoba nifikile because sizimisela ngokuthi masiphuma ngalwa emnyango sizophuma sesine solution because liyayidinga investigation. Uhlongwa comrade Shivambu national organizer ugadwa ngama R5 ukwi interim structure yena yedwa ucoordinator ugadwa ngama R5 o urban ban insizwe zo5 ehlale sihamba nayo uhlongwa njalo lo sikushilo lokuncamala luyakwazi ma comrade asazi usababane sekwi interim structure asazi uzosilida kanjani eparties khali ngalendlela ufikile ucomrade Thobani elewa South Coast wambiza wathi akafuni nje beshilo namhlanje insuku sasawuthusa sahamba sawuqhinqa eofisini ngoba ioffice lakhe likhokelwe imali yakhe sihamba nabo comrade Thobani bambiza for the second day wanqaba uhlobo. Now you could actually smell comrade Shivambu ukuthi le comrade esikhuluma ngalo linjani lithi ke ngelize likhishwe umuntu kumkhonto wesizwe ngoba liconnected. Ngifuna ukuthi ke ngale sikamdala elowa South Coast si discourage ke ngale ndlela engaphezulu kwamandla kodwa sibambe ngomoya wothando towards umhla ka29 uMay ngoba samxosha ngo15 February uhlobo. So therefore comrade Shivambu, it doesn't need any investigation. Ngishilo esincwadini ngathi umsholozi can attest ema problems ela South Coast ngathi khulumana no comrade Thobani uyazi including comrade Mbanda. So therefore there is nothing that needs to be investigated. Uhlongwa as from today regardless of what asimdinge lo South Coast.
Okay guys, let's just unpack this video. Who is this famous Hlongwa? Why does he have 5 people protecting him? Usabani. MK can't have a coordinator that carries ama R5s. Law ama tendencies akagogo. Siyazi ukuthi kagogo ikuphi. And why are MK officers in the South Coast paid by this individual? MK leadership requests a meeting with you, and when you refuse to attend the said meeting, what does this say about you? Are you still even a member? When the leadership expels this member, inina futhi enzobe senithi uPresident Zuma uyathanda ukuxosha abantu. The MK member that was speaking, Mr. Gaba, that was representing the rest of the branch members to the leadership, had so much faith on Shivambu to resolve this matter, just to show that Floyd is a true leader. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.